Characteristics of tort. The most important characteristic of tort law is that this is the law which is against the civil wrong. And tort is an infringement of right and rem. A right and rem is available against the world at large. This rights protect interest against the world, and there is a duty upon every person of the world not to interfere with other person's right. It is available against an open or indefinite class of person. A person can't say that right and rem is against a person. No, it is against the world at large. It is the duty of the person not to infringe within the right of others person. The freedom given in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution with the restrictions are right and rem. And some of the example of right and rem are that just suppose X has a house. The people of the world have the duty and not to interfere with his ownership. So this is his right in rem that nobody has the right to disturb X possession with his house. Just suppose I have money in my pocket. I can use my money as any way I like. The world at large has no right to interfere with my possession. All these examples are of rights in rem. Tort is a private wrong. That it is not against tort cannot be committed against the state. It is a private wrong, absolutely a private wrong. It is different from breach of contract and breach of trust, as it is clearly mentioned in the definition given by Salmond. It is different than a criminal law, as it is clear that it is a civil wrong, so it will be definitely different from the criminal law. Remedy for tort is unliquidated damages. That damages are provided in this tort because tort is a restorative law in which the person is given the damages to the person who is aggrieved is getting the damages. The person who by the aggrieved party is getting hurt or damaged is liable to pay the damages to the person who is aggrieved. And the unliquidated damages means the damage which are not known, because you can't say that if I'll hit someone, so it will be damage will be equal to that particular amount. The damages are decided by the court. Law of tort is uncodified. It is clearly uncodified. There is no codification of the law of tort till this time. There is a difference between codification and uncodified. Codification, the examples are IPC, Constitution and other acts. But tort is totally uncodified. The tort is commission or omission. Commission means when a person do something which he shouldn't do, and omission means failure to act. The person is not doing what he's supposed to do, what is his duty to do. So we can say that tort consists both commission and omission. If it is his duty and he didn't do it, that is tort, and the person who should not do one thing and does it, that is commission.